Welcome to our tutorial video for DJI Matrice 4 series, where we will show you how to use DJI AL1 Spotlight. Before installation, make sure to clean the aircraft and its accessory. Check that the contact surfaces and screw holes are free from dirt, stickers, or any other coverings. Open the E-port protective cover and install the spotlight to the top of the aircraft. Tighten the screws on both sides of the spotlight. For long-term use, please use the tool provided in the package to ensure they are securely fastened. Power on the remote controller in the aircraft. Launch DJI Pilot 2, and an activation page will pop up for the first time use. Please follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. Once you've updated the aircraft and remote controller to the latest firmware, follow the on-screen instructions to update all modules. When the app's homepage shows the spotlight information, it means the spotlight is successfully connected. Enter the camera view, tap the spotlight icon on the left and select Strobe or On. Tap Settings, Remote Controller Settings, Customize RC buttons to set up a shortcut button for quickly turning the light off, on, or enabling strobe mode. Tap the brightness icon to set the spotlight brightness. Use the left dial on the remote controller to adjust the tilt angle of both the gimbal and spotlight simultaneously, enabling the spotlight to follow the gimbal orientation. Tap the Settings icon to enable Wide FOV lighting, which expands the lighting coverage. Tap the electronic dehazing icon to enable or disable electronic dehazing based on your needs for better spotlight performance. Tap Follow Gimbal Orientation to enable or disable the function. Tap Gimbal Calibration and then OK to begin auto calibration. Start by installing the spotlight on top of the aircraft and tighten the screws on both sides of the spotlight. Open the protective cover on the spotlight's top and place it upside down in the groove at the rear of the spotlight. Then, take off the adapter bracket from the bottom of the speaker and attach the speaker to the top of the spotlight. Tighten the screws on both sides of the speaker. For long-term use, please use the tool provided in the package to ensure they are securely fastened. Power on the remote controller in the aircraft. Launch DJI Pilot 2. When the app's homepage shows the spotlight and speaker information, it means they are successfully connected and ready for use. If the app prompts for calibration, you need to recalibrate the aircraft's compass. Make sure not to touch the speaker during the calibration process to avoid calibration failure. Once the calibration is done, you'll be ready to use the spotlight and speaker. Once the spotlight is installed, the aircraft's performance will be impacted. When the spotlight is turned on, the vision system will be unavailable. Please ensure flight safety. Do not point the spotlight directly at people's eyes to prevent potential harm. After prolonged use, the spotlight can get quite hot. Be cautious to avoid burn. You can store the aircraft in the protector case with the spotlight attached. When not in use, detach the spotlight from the aircraft and store them separately in the case.